Hi everyone, good morning and namaste. It's me Ram Kumar Barali from Biswajyoti Secondary English School as an English teacher. Today I'm stepping here, to deal class 10 compulsory English. Understand my points? And under that today we are going to deal grammar. And one of the very good item, reported speech. Dear students, welcome to you in my online class. Yes, dear students, grammar. Grammar means the backbone of the language. Without grammar, our language is not complete, not meaningful. Yes. Dear students, you know very well English. English is an international language. It is spoken all over the world. Dear students, you know very well. It has 4 language skills. How many language skills? 4 language skills. They are listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Today, under writing part, we are going to deal. Under writing part, grammar, controlled writing. We are going to deal. Reported speech, dear students. Reported speech also is called narration. Yes? Yeah. And each plays the vital role in grammar to enhance your grammar. Today, direct speech without delay. Direct speech. Let's deal. What's the direct speech? Speaker actual words are quoted. Speaker's actual words are quoted. For example, here, she said to me, I love my country. I have mentioned here, she said to me, I love my country. Here, subject, verb, object, one repeating verb part, another repeated speech part. I love my country, which is in inverted comma. It's called direct speech. Yes. Before doing this, we have some procedure. Yes, obviously we will do. Yes, we will change direct to indirect. But how can we do? Means we have some, procedure. Yes, process, steps here. Listen here, I have mentioned here steps and procedure. Before that, we should know the types of sentence. Yes, dear students, types of sentence. Second, reporting verbs. According to the types of sentence, we have reporting verb. Third, we should consider in joining words. Yes, similarly, tense change and tense not change condition. Similarly, pronoun change. Fifth one and sixth one, adverbial change. You know very well. And seventh one, punctuation deletion. These are the steps and procedures while changing. Yes, direct speech to indirect speech. Direct speech to indirect speech. Dear students, let's move. Tense change. Yes, dear students, to do tense change. We have to, say one poem also, no matter. Tense change. Past, if there is past, which in past, perfect. If there is present, we should make past. Similarly, if there is old, could, had plus verb third, tense no change. Yes, in poem. Yes, also we can make. Yes, if there is present, we should make past. If there is past, we should make past perfect. If there is would, could, had, be three, tense no change. That's the matter. Yes. And another condition also, in which condition, direct to indirect speech tense no change. If there is universal truth. Yes. Scientific fact. Yes. Similarly, if the repeating verb says, will say, tense no change. Similarly, pronoun change. Yes, we will go. Yes, furthermore in the according to the types of sentence. But before that, we should deal pronoun change. while doing pronoun change also we should have no some terms. S-O-N upon 1, 2, 3. Yes, a sort of poem. Yes, remember. S-O-N upon 1, 2, 3. First person according to the subject, second person according to the object, third person no change means free. Third person free means no change. If there is IUE according to the subject, if there is you according to the object, if there is third person, yes, yes, pronoun no change. Similarly, adverbial change, dear students, direct to indirect. Yes, we have the adverb, manners adverb, place adverb, time adverb. Yes, so here, direct to indirect, now just then, okay, this, that, these, those, today, that day, tomorrow, next day, following day, okay, yesterday, the day before, yes, previous day, okay, that's so like this. My dear students, not only that, punctuation, deletion, yeah, while changing direct to indirect, there is some punctuations, comma, inverted comma, question mark, yes, we should delete changing, yes, direct to indirect. Okay, yes, that's the only process, my dear students, that's the only process. Yes, step, procedure. Let's do types of sentence. First, assertive sentence. Assertive sentence is called statement. Yes, which is in SVO pattern. Yeah, here joining word, repeating verb, say, said, will say, said to change into told. I had already told you. And joining word that sentence. For example, he said to me, yes, I arrived yesterday. He said to me, I arrived yesterday. Yes. And said to change into told. He told me, and joining word is the statement. So joining word that, and I first person according to the subject. Yes. He. And past had arrived, past perfect. And yesterday time adverbial, the day before. Understood, my dear students? It's the process. Next. Yeah. We have very certain time, so I have to deal, and I'm going to share you my opinion, yes, and I'm going to facilitate you, yes, from according to the types of sentence, okay, one by one. Just imperative sentence, my dear students, yes, which is started by, yes, you can say Bhagwan. Order, command, request, that stuff, prohibited types of sentence, and said to change it into, yes, ordered, requested, commanded, prohibited, okay, we can write. And joining words to, not to, in positive, to joining word, and in negative, negation, not to. Yes, example. For example, I have mentioned here, she said to me, please wait for me. It's the direct speech, and indirect speech can write, she said to change into requested. Why? Because please requested me to, joining a to, wait for, yes, please wait for, or me, first person according to the subject. I had already told you, first person according to the subject. So, I, me, she, her. Okay, so her. Dear students, you should know the pronoun form also. Yes, for example, subjective, objective, yes, possessive one, possessive and reflexive. For example, I, me, my, mine, myself. We, us, ourselves. You, your, yours, yourselves. He, him, his, himself. She, her, herself. Yes, we should know like this. And next, interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence means the questions here, yes, no question and WH question. Yes, no question said to change it into in the repeating verb, asked, joining word. In ask no question, if, whether, and WH question, WH. Let's, yes, take one example. Hari said to me, do you like lemon in your tea? It's a direct speech. And answer here, Hari said to change it to ask question me. if joining word, and second person equal to the object you. I like lemon. I like lemon. In your means you, your, I, me, my tree. Yes, I had already told you. Next, in WH question, teacher said to me, what is your name? Teacher said to me, yes, what is your name? Teacher said to change into ask me, and WH question we should make WH word, we should write the WH word. What is you? Second person according to the object me, you, your, I, me, mine. So my name was. Yes, dear students, question. From question we should make the statement. We should make questions into statement. Don't forget. Next. Okay, similarly fourth one, exclamatory sentence, that is exclamation sort of. Okay, for example, joy, sorrow, surprise. Yes, that sort of exclamatory. And said to change into exclaimed with joy, exclaimed with sorrow, exclaimed with surprise according to the types of sentence. Joining word that. Example, they said, hooray, we have won the match. Hooray, we have won the match here. Yes, introduction, hooray. So they exclaimed with joy, is the happiness. Joining word that with first person according to the subject, first person according to the subject. So they, and past perfect. From past we should make past perfect. They had won the match. They had won the match. Similarly, fifth one, yes. At last but not the least, optative sentence, blessing, curse, wishing types of sentence, dear students. Yes, and reporting verb said to change into blessed, wished, cursed. Yes, and joining word to or that. Yes. Sentence here, I am going to mention one example to you. Mother said to her son, okay, have a nice journey. Okay, mother, yes, in the direct speech. Yes, and in the indirect speech here, mother here wishing, so wished her son and have a nice journey to joining word. Yes, have to have a nice journey. That's the matter, my dear students. Okay, let me revise once. Reported speech, direct speech and indirect speech. Direct speech, okay, speaker actual source, which are quoted in inverted comma. I already, it has two parts, reporting verb part and reporting speech part. She said to me, I love my country. Yes, and here indirect speech without quoting speakers actuals, what he is reported. Yes, for example, yes, she said to change into told, me, and joining word that. And first person agree the subject, already told you, I, instead of I, she, and present to past, she loved her country. My dear students, that's the matter. Yes, we can deal in this way. Dear students, if you have no misunderstanding, confusion, you can ask me, okay? Yes, you know very well. We have the grade 10, yes, link, yes, that's the matter. So you have to ask me, yes, and dear students, for the exam, yes, exercise, yes, for exercises, you know very well, yes, I am going to paste in grade 10 Facebook link from exercise for practice, which is related in reported speech, okay, reported speech, yes, and do not forget again to contact me. Yes, this much for today. Dear students, please make your days productive. Yes, stay at home and be safe. Thank you very much, and I will come another sessions, yes, to deal another topic. Have a nice day. Thank you. See you.